grade 6s. So today we're going to be learning about the Lieutenant Governor. Please follow along with your notes. When you come to a bold word, please write it in the blank. Make sure you pause the video to give yourself enough time to copy the words down properly so you don't have any spelling mistakes. All right. So Canada is a representative democracy, but it is also a constitutional monarchy. A constitutional monarchy is a system of government where a king or queen is the head of state. In Canada, the Queen's representative in the federal government is called the Governor-General. Canada's current Governor-General is Julie Payette. The Queen has a representative in Alberta known as the Lieutenant Governor. The Prime Minister of Canada recommends someone for the job of Lieutenant Governor, and then they are appointed to the position by the Governor-General. The Lieutenant Governor has many responsibilities in Alberta. Some examples are signing bills passed by the Legislative Assembly, making them into laws, inviting the leader of the party that wins the election to become the Premier, issuing the royal proclamation that calls the legislature into session, reading the speech from the throne to open new sessions of the legislature, and dissolving or closing the Legislative Assembly so elections can be held. So how is the Alberta government structured? After the people of Alberta have voted for their representative in the Legislative Assembly, the government is formed and begins working for Albertans. This is what the structure of the Alberta government looks like. The Lieutenant Governor, the Queen's representative, the Premier, the leader of the government, the Cabinet, responsible for departments, and Legislative Assembly. So thinking it through. Use pages 146 in the textbook to answer the following questions on page 13 of your booklet. So if you were going to add a big box to this chart containing the label, the people of Alberta, where would you put it? Explain why you put it where you did.